Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now. Confirm AirPods Max have at least 20% battery and the latest firmware, because updates fix in-flight quirks. Once done, enable airplane mode on your device to comply with airline rules, but leave Bluetooth on. That lets you use in-flight Wi-Fi or seat audio while controlling radio signals. Next, put the headphones into pairing mode by holding the noise control button until the LED blinks. This tells your device the headset is discoverable, so tap the name on screen to pair. Once paired to your device, choose AirPods Max as the audio output in system settings to ensure media routes correctly. This is essential because some apps default to device speakers. If the aircraft provides a seat jack instead of Bluetooth, use a Lightning to 3.5mm headphone adapter and switch the AirPods Max to wired mode by connecting the cable. This preserves ANC and battery. Also, make sure to set noise control to transparency when crew announcements happen, so you don't miss safety instructions. To finish, verify active noise cancellation and transparency function correctly. Adjust volume to a comfortable, safe level to avoid ear fatigue. If you experience dropouts or latency with in-flight Bluetooth, unpair and repair the headset, or switch to a wired connection. This usually resolves sync issues. Keep a small charger or battery pack handy, and use low power mode on your device if battery gets low. This preserves connection stability and ensures you can enjoy music or movies for the whole flight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.